How to change currency in PayPal. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to change currency in PayPal. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device and then search for how to change currency in PayPal. And then hit enter. Once you're here, a step-by-step process will appear. Now the question is, how do I manage my currencies in PayPal? Here's how to add a new currency. Step 1 is to go to Wallet. Step 2 is to click on Add a Currency. And step 3 is select the currency you want and click Add a Currency. And to change your primary currency, step 1 is to go to Wallet. Step 2 is to select the More option beside the currency you want to make primary. And then step 3, click Make Primary. This one on top, we've already read it to you, so you can go ahead and browse again. And that should be it. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.